Hello and welcome to another CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. I will cover the question number 2 from the CLD sample question. So this question states which VI will acquire 1000 samples immediately after a PFIO transitions from low to high. Please pause the video whenever necessary and I'll tell you the solution in a moment. The best way to solve this kind of problem is to eliminate the wrong answers. First of all, we know that it is low to high. That basically means it cannot be the falling edge. That means it will be the rising edge. So our choices has been reduced to A and B. And then since it says samples immediately after transitions, that basically means we need to select B. So B is the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you again for the next sample exam.